Hello once again. I want to welcome you to this other lesson. Remember, we are discussing about disorders or disabilities in general, and of course in relation to hearing impairment, or how these other disabilities affect hearing impairment. Now in this lesson, we are going to focus on a physical disability, and we say that people or students with physical disability have an acquired or a congenital physical and or motor impairment such as cerebral palsy, spina, bifida, muscular dystrophy. We have arthritis, developmental coordination disorder, amputations, genetic disorder, among other impairment, of course, associated with physical disability. So the disability may interfere with the development or function of the bones and muscles, joints, and the central nervous system, of course, which coordinates the functioning and communication of all impulses in the body system. So physical characteristic may include but not limited to the following. Number one, paralysis. Someone is paralyzed, either one side of the body or the whole body is paralyzed. Number two, altered muscle tone. Next one, an unsteady gait. Someone has problems with that. Loss of or inability to use one or more limbs. Someone has maybe only one limb. The next one, we talk about difficulty with gross motor skills, such as walking or running. So someone has a problem with walking or running. And then lastly, of course, difficulty with fine motor skills, such as buttoning, clothing, or printing, or even writing. So these people have those problems, those that we have mentioned, and of course others that we have not captured. But remember, the impairment may range from mild to severe, just as we mentioned in other disability, and may have a minimal impact on the person or interfere substantially with the functional ability of an individual. So the effects of the disability may be minimized, of course, through appropriate environmental adaptations and or the use of assistive devices or assistive technology. So we can minimize or we can accommodate this physical disability in terms of accommodating, of course, or adapting the environment in terms of assistive technology. See you in the next lesson.